Yo, what's up, guys? We're back at it. Today, we're going to look at something a little bit different. Don't click off the video yet. We're going to look at something that's 90s, Japanese, iconic car that was right in there with the 300ZX. I'm talking about the Mazda RX7. Alright, so the first one we're going to look at is a 93 RX7. These things are banging out, dude. They have like gone insane in the last 2 years. This one's $42,000. It's been listed for sale for 44 weeks. Something's wrong, dude. You're not selling the car. Let's take a look. Maybe your pictures have something to do with it. I don't know. Cool red RX7. Either it's really dirty or the paint sucks. I can't tell, dude. I literally can't tell. Interior looks cool. It looks like it is a left-hand drive, at least possibly. From this picture, we got a left-hand drive Mazda RX7, tack right in the middle. Like, these things are cool. I've never driven one, but you know, maybe one day. Maybe one day. I do love the peanut butter interior with the red on this car, the Mazda RX7. Maybe it's just because of Fast and the Furious, but this is actually, I think, a good color tan interior, and then with that red, it just pops. It looks beautiful. These pictures don't. These pictures suck. You're selling a $45,000 car, and your pictures, you can't even be bothered. I don't even know how you get a picture to look like that, to tell you the truth. Cool, you have a door. You have another door. Awesome. Is there something we're missing besides you're just trying to ruin your door hinges? And okay, I guess this is a race car, and now our picture goes like this. How come you can't be bothered to put up good pictures? Like, oh my god, this is why your cars aren't selling. This is why we're making fun of it. Flamed your car, bro. Nice. Oh my gosh, so I guess we're going race car status on this car. Might be because somebody doesn't want to pay $42,000 for your half-gutted RX-7. Oh, bam! Oh my gosh, what is this? We've got what do we got here? An LS6 with a T56 transmission out of a 2006 CTS-V with about 60K on it. There you go. That's what it looks like with an LS. I mean, cool, probably cool to drive. The rotaries, as they get older, less reliable. And then you got this thing looking crazy crammed up in there. Okay, so I guess we are race car. Man, this guy's got, looks like a S2000 back there, something else. This car, I mean, he's got a few cars. I like that there's a polishing wheel literally right here in the picture. It's right there. Pictures look like shit. I couldn't even tell if that was a bad clear coat or if it was dirty. So, supposedly you polish these cars, but you can't be bothered to take a picture of it actually looking good. Shouldn't be hard. Dude, these pictures are ridiculous. So bad. It's so bad. Alright. So that's this car. Got an LS6 with a bunch of stuff. Twin disc clutch, blah blah blah. On factory ECU, so GM ECU. Looking to sell for cash. We'll entertain some trades. We'll trade for the following: Turbo Mark IV Supra. No, sorry, it's not gonna happen, dude. R35 GTR with cash on my end. You better put Supra with cash on your end. Ooh! What the f is this? Oh my god, this is the ugliest car I have seen today. If I wanted a Porsche, I would buy a Porsche and not an RX-7. 95 Mazda RX-7, 45 grand, 2 weeks. Been on here for 2 weeks. It's hideous. It is hideous. So this is from Japan, right-hand drive. It's got some special 2-piece wheels that look all f***ed up. Body kit looks all f***ed up. Let's take a look. This looks like a Porsche. This is the stupidest thing you can do, is make your RX-7 look like a Porsche. For one, I'm sure the Porsche that this is modeled after is cheaper than this car. And two, if you wanted a Porsche, why don't you get a Porsche? You want a car that looks like a Porsche, but has a rotary engine in it. You're buying an RX-7. You just deal with you have a rotary. Like, if you, my head's gonna explode right now, dude. This is the AC 987 body kit for the FD. No, it's so terrible. Porsche styled headlights in lieu of the factory pop-ups. I bet you wish you still had pop-ups. Here's my favorite part. This RX-7 has been untouched besides regular maintenance. Everything is original from Japan. I would not call this car untouched. My god, bro. Who the f are you talking to? Who are you trying to sell this to? Because you are lying out your mouth. Terrible fog lights. They look like 2002 called, dude. I remember they used to sell those in Walmart. This car looks dude. Whoops, I guess you can't say that. This car looks stupid. This car straight up looks stupid. This was a terrible idea. And then the back, oh my god. Oh, I don't even know. It's so ugly. It's so ugly. This whole back piece is insane. And then it needs a crazy, I don't know. Does it need a crazy wing? I don't even know. It looks insane. It looks so crazy. So there it is, right-hand drive. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 gauges on top. Because why not, dude? You got your Momo steering wheel with your special NOS button right in the middle. Ah! Beat up. Look at this thing. Look at these door seals. Totally trash, dude. I'm surprised this isn't an automatic. God damn, who does this to their car? Alright, there's the interior. I mean, dude, this car's for sale $45,000. Can't even be bothered. Look at the CD players hanging out. The trim's not even done. Who are these people that sell this? I mean, it must take no anything to start selling. Maybe I should start importing and selling cars, because obviously the barrier to entry is just ridiculous. This is what they're offering up. Can't even be bothered to take care of it a little bit more. Give me my $45,000. Sorry, this car is the winner of the worst RX-7 we're looking at today. That rear end is rough to look at. My God, dude. My God. It kind of looks cool if you put your hand up to the everything. Yep, just the windshield and the roof. Cover everything else up. Then it actually looks like an RX-7 FD. So mileage on this is actually super low. If this is true, it's 43,000 miles, but on the car that they straight up ruined. Man, that car is terrible. Good luck on the sale. So here's the last one we're gonna look at. Actually has decent pictures. Rocket Bunny, man. I just don't think the Rocket Bunny kit is going to age well right now. I think it's already starting to show its age. I'm sorry. I think it's already starting to show its age. At least the front. The back, still looking good. The front, how they have it on the front. That's not just for this RX-7. It's for all Rocket Bunny kits. I just don't think they're going to age well. This one's actually already sold. It's a 96 FD Mazda RX-7. It was $55,000. They sold it in 2 weeks. So let's see what's going on with this one, because it's wild. It's got some pretty sweet wheels, deep dish wheels. It's got the Rocket Bunny kit. I mean, there's a whole Rocket Bunny kit with the front bumper and everything. Look at that thing. Sorry, I'm just not a fan. I know. I just don't think it's aging well. Go orange color. I mean, the orange is alright. The orange is alright. I think without that Rocket Bunny kit, it would be better. Oh, the back, that rear diffuser too. I mean, it's a lot. This car's got a lot going on. It's got a lot. It looks like what it's supposed to. It looks like a Rocket Bunny RX-7 is exactly what this looks like. Oh man. That diffuser, those super bolty diffusers, I hope it's doing something. It's got the original hood, which is nice. I've got that same lift over there. It does got an awesome shop. The shop is awesome. He's got some cool toys for sure. Boom! There's the money shot, boys and girls. This is the 2JZ. So 2JZ swapped out of a 98 Super. Nice. So that's like the $10,000+ 2JZ. That is the no joke 2JZ. We got 19-inch work wheels. Nice. They're 12.5 wide in the rear, 10.5 wide in the front. Nice. Genuine Rocket Bunny kit. This car has a lot of work put into it. I like those red seats. I'm digging it. Nice. Door seals look good. Like, somebody cared for this car. I think this is like the best deal. That's why it's sold already. I don't care for the Rocket Bunny kit, boys and girls. This one is that. So we've got we saw 3 motors today. We saw the LS, we saw the 13B REW, and then we saw 2JZ come out of nowhere, all kind of priced the same. The worst one I think is that Porsche looking one. Probably take the LS over that, and then the 2JZ swap. That's what's up. That's what's up for sure. You got the best of both worlds. You got your super engine and your beautiful RX-7 FD. Not really into the Rocket Bunny kit, but that's for you. And they actually took good pictures. That's why they sell it. That's why you gotta take good pictures, ladies and gentlemen. And that is it. It doesn't have AC, so that's the only thing, which kind of not surprised when they do crazy motor swaps like that. AC is tricky. That's all I got for this one. Enjoy. Oh my god. look at the overspray on this door is insane. Well, that's for somebody else to worry about, not us. Let me know what RX7 you would take, the LS, the JZ, or the 13B, or do you like the one with the crazy body kit on it? Let me know what you think about FDRX7s. Anyways, I will talk to you next time. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.